Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. The Honorable Miss Dharma Rika Suara Marinda MSA PhD and Mrs. Susan Febriantina SPD MPD as my supervising lecturer. Please allow me to introduce myself. My name is Gina Aulia Nuriski from the Bachelor of Office Administration Education Program, Faculty of Economics and Business.
Recording in progress.
Today, I will present the result of my thesis from chapter 1 until 5 with title The Influence of Entrepreneurship Education and Social Environment on the Entrepreneurial Interest of Office Management Student at Vocational High School Negeri 22 Jakarta.
Recording in progress.
First, chapter 1 is Introduction. First is background. According to Indonesian Central Bureau of Statistics 2024, the open employment rate is TPT for vocational high school is SMK graduates is 91%. Other education levels, junior high school graduates have an employment rate of 11%. High school graduates is 75%. Diploma 1, 2, and 3 is for 83%, and university graduates 25%. This data shows that SMK graduates are the largest contribution to employment. Employment is not desired outcome for the Indonesian community, including SMK graduates. Being employment after graduation is not a choice, but often result from a lack of work, organizational or internship experience, which limits employment opportunities for graduates. A pre-research survey with 36 students of SMKN 22 Jakarta was conducted to examine the influence of entrepreneurship education and social environment on the entrepreneurial interests of office management students. And next is pre-research result entrepreneurial interests. The image of the pre-research result above show that 36.1% of the 36 students from SMK Negeri 22 Jakarta express a desire to become entrepreneurs, with 30 of them answering yes. However, 23 students fell into the no category, accounting for 36.9%. The pre-research conducted on 36 students at SMKN 22 Jakarta indicate the level of students' interest in becoming entrepreneurs. The data show that the majority of students do not have sufficient desire to start their own business or enterprise. Next is factor affecting entrepreneur interest. Based on the result of the preliminary study, the factor influencing students' entrepreneur interests are entrepreneurship education at 36%, followed by the social employment at 25%, economic condition and business opportunities at 22%, creativity and innovation at 39%, and lastly, self-motivation at 3%. Next. Okay. This is alumni entrepreneurship data on 2023. Based on threshold study data from SMKN 22 Jakarta, in 2023, there were 200 alumni from various majors, but only 9 people or 4.5% choose the entrepreneurs path. Next is alumni entrepreneurship data on 2024. Meanwhile, in 2024, the number of alumni increased to 3,006, with 16 of them, or 5.23%, becoming entrepreneurs. And next is alumni data specific to office management students who become entrepreneurs. As shown in the table above, out of 36 alumni from the office management major, only 3 became entrepreneurs, while 33 did not pursue entrepreneurship. Then in 2024, out of 70 alumni from office management, 6 became entrepreneurs, while 64 did not. Although there was a slight increase compared to the previous year, this figure still indicates that the majority of alumni have not widely chosen entrepreneurship. Next is research question. 1. Does entrepreneurship education affect entrepreneur interest among office management students at SMKN 22 Jakarta? And 2. Does the social environment affect entrepreneur interest among these students? And 3. Do entrepreneurship education and social environment simultaneously influence entrepreneurship interests? Next is research objective. First, to analyze the effect of entrepreneurship education on entrepreneurial interest among office management students at SMKN 22 Jakarta. And 2, to analyze the effect of social environment on entrepreneurship in the interest among these students. And last one is to analyze the simultaneous effect of entrepreneurship education and social environment on entrepreneurial interest. Next. Okay. This is a research benefit. The first one is theoretical benefits. This study is expect to add insight in the field of education, particularly regarding student entrepreneur interests, and to serve as a reference for further research. And next is practical benefit. For school, the result of this study can be used as reading material to enhance knowledge about the influence of entrepreneurship education and social environment on the entrepreneurial interest of office management student at SMKN Negeri 22 Jakarta. And 2, for research. This research can help increase understanding and knowledge about the influence of entrepreneurship, education, and social environment on the entrepreneurial interest of office management student at SMK Negeri 22 Jakarta. Next. And 3, for Universitas Negeri Jakarta, the research can serve as a library collection to be used and informational material for future research development. And the last one is for the readers. The research can be used as additional knowledge and learning material, as well as a reference for readers planning to conduct future research on the same topic. Next is novelty of research. From Nainggolan and Herney, 2020, in a study titled The Influence of Entrepreneurship Education and Social Environment on Entrepreneurial Interest, a study at Ciputra University, the research was conducted on university students and Universitas Ciputra. And number 2 is Swati and et al. 2023. Another study with title The Influence of Entrepreneurship Education and Social Environment on Entrepreneur Interest was undertaken at Universitas Sumatera Barat. And we next to chapter 2 is literature review. Okay. First is supporting theory. This is entrepreneurial interest according to Wulandari at Mardika Ningsi and Putra 2021. Entrepreneurial interest is the willingness to work hard to meet life's needs without fear or failure of learning from mistake. The indicator is 1. Desire to start a business and to interest in the business world. 3. Readiness and courage to take risks. And 4. Commitment to becoming an entrepreneurship. And 5. Business planning. 6 is attention to all aspects of entrepreneurship. And the last one is future orientation. And number 2 is entrepreneurship education. According to Putri and Nawawi 2023, entrepreneurship education implements principles and methods to help students obtain life skills through school curricula. And the indicator is 1. Curriculum, 2. Quality of teaching staff, 3. Teaching and learning facilities, 4. Entrepreneurial concept environment, 5 is enchantment of business opportunity knowledge, 6 is fostering and stimulating entrepreneurial spirit, and the last one is creativity. And the last one is social environment. According to Abdul Aziz Saputra and Ulfatun Najicha at Hairunisa et al. 2023, define social environment as various systems of norms around individuals and groups, which influence their behavior and thinking. And the indicator is 1 is family environment, 2 peer environment, 3 community environment, and 4 school environment, and 5 is student staff interaction. And next we going to research hypothesis. The first one is the influence of entrepreneurship education on entrepreneurial interest. The influence of entrepreneurship education on entrepreneurial interest, according to Afriani and Hendriani, 2025, show that entrepreneurship education has a positive and significant effect on entrepreneurial interest. This indicates that higher entrepreneurship education will increase entrepreneurial interest. And the hypothesis is there is a direct positive and significant effect of entrepreneurship education on entrepreneurial interest. Number 2 is the influence of social environment on entrepreneurial interest. According to Putri et al. 2024, state that partially the social environment has a positive and significant effect on entrepreneurial interest. Being in a supportive environment increase one's entrepreneurial interest because the environment acts as a strong source of motivation, leading to greater interest. And hypothesis is there is a direct positive and significant effect of a social environment on entrepreneurial interest. And the last one is the influence of entrepreneurship education. and social environment on entrepreneurial interests. According to Nainggolan and Herney, 2020, based on data discussion and analysis, it can be concluded that entrepreneurship in education and social environment have a significant simultaneous effect on entrepreneurial interests. And the hypothesis is there is a significant effect of entrepreneurship education and social environment on entrepreneurial interests. And next is chapter 3, is research method. Next. And this is research methodology. First is research site in SMK Negeri 22 Jakarta, located at Jalan Condet Raya, RT 12 RW 3, Gedong Pasar Rebo, it's Jakarta. And research duration, this research was carried out from January 2025 until July 2025, starting from the proposal submission. Next is research design. This study used a quantitative research design with a survey approach. The survey approach was selected to collect data from a large number of respondents to measure the influence of independent and dependent variables using questionnaires distributed via Google Form to collect primary data. And next is population. The population of this study is 143 office management student at SMK Negeri 22 Jakarta. And the last one is sampling technique. There's the sample was selected using proportional stratified random sampling with a 5% margin of error, calculated with Yamane's formula, resulting in 105 respondents. Next is population. The population focused on 143 students from grades 10, 11, and 12 in the office management major, 36 students from office management 1, 35 from office management 2, and 36 from class 11 and 12. Next is data analysis technique. The analysis involved descriptive statistics and multiple regression (EVMs) SPSS statistic 25 was used for data processing. First is validity test, 2 reliability test, 3 prerequisite analysis tests include normality and linear tests. For classical assumption tests include multicollinearity and heteroscedasticity. 5 is multiple regression equation. 6 is hypothesis testing, include F-test and T-test. And the last one is coefficient of determination or R-squared. This is data analysis technique, validity test of entrepreneurship education questionnaire based on the table above. The validity test carried out on 30 respondents show that statement items for entrepreneurship education are valid if the calculate are is it the R table. The R table for 30 respondent is 0, 365, it can be seen that 17 items under the entrepreneurship education variable are valid, proven by R2 more than R table 0 30 165 sorry 161. Next is validity test of social environment questionnaire. Similarly, items for the social environment variable based on 30 respondents are valid if R2 more than R table, which is 0, 30, 161. 15 statements for this variable were valid. And next, validity test of entrepreneurial interest questionnaire. For the entrepreneurial interest, 15 items were tested, one item was invalid in number 9 because R2 less than R table and therefore discard. Next is reliability test. The reliability results show that instruments for variable entrepreneurship education, social environment, and entrepreneurial interest have Cronbach alpha values above 0, 0 above 0.7. Next is chapter 4, results and discussion. First is respondent profile. Based on class, students from office management were divided into 4 classes. First is 12, 11, and 2 class of 10. The percentage of class 12 is 19%. Class 11 is 27.9%. Office management class 10, 22.9%, and class 10-2 is 35%. Next is based on gender. The data shows that female students dominate at 92.4%, while male students are only 76%, indicating the majority of students in the major are female. Next is the response regarding plans after graduation are respondent plans after graduation are 52% intend to work, 38.1% plan to continue college, and 29% want to become entrepreneurs, and the rest aim to study while working. This shows entrepreneurial interest among office management students is still relatively low. And this is a descriptive analysis of entrepreneurial interest. Below are tables showing mean, median, minimum, and maximum scores for entrepreneurial interest. And beside that, there is a score of indicator entrepreneurial interest. Next is descriptive analysis of entrepreneurship education. And this table is show descriptive start, mean, median, minimum, and maximum. And beside that is table of score indicator from education, entrepreneurship education. And the last one is descriptive analysis of social environment. And on the left side is table of mean, median, minimum, and maximum. And beside that, there is a table of score indicator from social environment. Next is prerequisite analysis test, normality test. Significance values from entrepreneurship education, social environment, and entrepreneurial interests were 0.146, indicating normal distribution, and significance more than 0.5. Next is prerequisite in analysis test is linearity test. Based on deviation from linearity tests, both independent and dependent variables have a linear relationships with significance more than 0.5. Next is classical assumption test. Is multicollinearity test. Tolerance values from entrepreneurship education and social environment were 0.486, more than 0.10, and fifth was 256, less than 10, indicating no multicollinearity problem. Next is classical assumption test. As is heteroscedasticity test. The decision criterion for this test is if the significant value of each x variable is more than 0.5, it can be seen that the significant value for the entrepreneurship education variable is 0.60, more than 0.5, and for the social environment variable is 0.299, more than 0.5. From this data, it can be concluded that the regression model in this study is good model, and this does not suffer from heteroscedasticity. Next is multiple linear regression. From the test result in the table above, the multiple linear regression equation can be obtained as follows. Variable dependent is 1280 24, and variable independent is 0.888, and the last one is variable independent variable 2 is 0.3056. Based on the equation above, both the entrepreneurship education and social environment variable contribute positively to the entrepreneurial interest variable. This means that if either independent variable increase, the dependent variable also increase. Next is hypothesis testing, F-test. Based on the F value in the table above, the significant value of a regression model is declared fit if the significance value is less than 0.5, The calculate value is 663. It can be concluded that there is a simultaneous or joint influence between the independent variable, which is entrepreneurship, education, and social environment, and the dependent variable is entrepreneurial interest. Next is t-test or hypothesis. The t-statistic test is used to examine whether its independent variable has an individual or partial effect on the dependent variable. Based on the test result in the table above, the significant value for each variable is less than 0.5. Therefore, it can be said that there is a significant effect between the independent variable 1 and 2 and the dependent variable.
Recording in progress.
Okay, next is coefficient of determination analyzed, or R-square. From the table above, the R-square value is 0.570. If the R-square value is 0.578, can be concluded that the independent variable entrepreneurship, education, and social environment jointly simultaneous explain 57% of the variance in the dependent variable is entrepreneurial interest. The remaining 43% is influenced by other factors not examined by the research. Next is chapter 5, conclusion. First is positive and significant effect of entrepreneurship education on entrepreneurial interest. The higher the entrepreneurship education, the higher students' entrepreneurial interest, and vice versa. And number two, the positive and significant effect of social environment on entrepreneurial interest. A better social environment leads to higher entrepreneurial interest. And three, positive and significant simultaneous effect of entrepreneurship education and social environment on entrepreneurial interest. Next is implication. First is the highest scoring indicator in entrepreneurial interest was interest in the business world at 20.4%, indicating strong student interest in starting their own business. Two, for entrepreneurship education is creativity, for highest at 17.36%, showing students good creativity during entrepreneurship lesson. And three, in social environment, the highest score was for family environment at 21.13%, reflecting students' feeling of safety and comfort sharing with family. Next is research limitation. First, the study only focused on two independent variables, one, entrepreneurship education, and two, social environment. The other factors may also influence entrepreneurial interest. And two, limit to office management student of SMK Negeri 22 Jakarta in grade 10 to 12 in the 2024-2025 academic year. And three, constraints related to time, budget, and human resource. And four, conduct in one SMK Negeri is Jakarta only, so research may not generalize to other regions or schools. Next is academic recommendation. for the future research is include additional variable potentially influencing entrepreneurial interests such as personal motivation, family business experience, access to capital or digital environment factors for a more comprehensive analysis, and number two, expand sample size across different majors or schools to enhance general stability and improve validity and reliability. Next is practical recommendation. First, for entrepreneurial interest, the lowest indicator is commitment to become an entrepreneur is 7.70%. Suggests low students' seriousness or willingness. Efforts to be made to foster commitment through promotes mentoring and experiential program. Number two, for entrepreneurship education, teaching and learning facilities scores lows is 11.80%. Increase quality and quantity of infrastructure, allocate additional budget, develop business centers or teaching factories. And three, for social employment, student staff interaction score lowest 19.26%. Needs improvement via joint activities, open communication, and training staff to be more proactive in supporting students.
Recording in progress.
That's conclude my presentation today. I apologize for any shortcoming and my mistake. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.